Today's video is regarding Canon Pixma MG3600 series printer. So I'm going to show you about the error, which is like the flashing light, orange flashing light, which is 2 times. So on the control panel you can see here it's flashing 2 times. So this error is actually regarding the paper tray. As you can see, the paper is loaded in the paper tray, but it's not properly loaded, or it might be possible like the paper is not present. So install the paper. Now go to the control panel, switch off your printer. Now your printer is off. Now switch on your printer. So you will see that orange light is not flashing anymore. Thanks for watching.